So today I want to talk about something very important that determines how our wig or hair installation goes, whether it's going to go nice or very good and all, which is the different type of lace we use for our frontal or closure installation. So if you want to learn about the kind of lace to use for your hair installation and wig installation, kindly stay tuned to the end of the video to be able to understand more about laces and the types we have. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Olari Airline, where we talk about all about wigs and all about hairs, you know, right, as the way we do it. So if you are new to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you. Welcome to my channel. You're always welcome anytime. So if you are a returning subscriber, kindly click on the like button and like this post and leave a comment under this post, and also share with your family and friends. So today we'll be talking about different laces we use for our closures and frontals to get that seamless look that we all like. So my baby won't allow me to record, so I had to put her in this video. Sorry about that, but she's meant to be there apparently. So we have the French lace. French lace are those ones that, those closures that you see that the nets are so hard, like they are hard. Like they're hard. So those ones, they don't easily melt into the scalp properly. So hairstylists don't really like those ones, but apparently those were the first kind of lace that were really available back then. So that's why we had no choice then but to use it. But you know that they don't melt in very well. You won't get that seamless look when you get the French lace, but they are popular. So most of the time you see them with, recently now, you see them with what's it called, the synthetic hairs. Those are the ones that come with synthetic hairs. And some of them that even come with synthetic hairs are way harder too, again, that they are like strong like cardboard. So those ones too, they are on different space on their own. But French lace are strong type of lace that you don't really like to use it now. This back in this age, like it's so strong and it's not always melting in properly. That's why people don't really use it. The only reason why people use the French lace is because it is durable. If you are looking for durability and closure that will last you like for a long time, for a very long time, you can go for French lace. But the only problem is that it doesn't really melt in very well. The other type we have is the Swiss lace. Swiss lace used to melt in very well. It's not as durable as the French lace. It's not as durable as the French lace. It doesn't last long like the French lace, but it melts into your scalp very well. What are people looking for these days? What will melt into their scalp very well? The lace that will melt in, that will make them, give them that realistic look. That's what people are looking for. So that's why many people used to go for Swiss lace these days. Like, they are very common. Swiss lace are very, very common, and you can see them around. You can even get it from your vendors and all for your wigs and your installation. Swiss lace. But the last one we have is the HD lace. As the name implies, anything HD, like it's inside your eyes like this. You can, it's very real. Like, it's very real. Like, that's what HD is. Like, when you're putting, even when you put a picture in HD mode, like, you see it very clear. That's what HD is. So for HD lace too, the melting in is very clear. Like, you would think it's your natural hair that is on your hair like this. That's how the HD used to melt in very well. That's what the HD does. But the only problem about HD is that the lace is very weak. The lace is very weak because it doesn't last. You can practically be pulling out HD lace like this because it easily cuts. I'll show you pictures of it in this video. Like, you can see, like, it's very, like, even mosquito net, the soft mosquito net itself is harder than the HD lace. Like, HD lace is very, very delicate, like delicate to the core. Very soft and delicate, so you can pull out at any point. You can pull out from the front, or you can pull out from the middle. You can even, if you are not careful when brushing your hair, you can just, you just hear it has turned. That's how it is. But the good part that people use it is because it's melting, and that melting in part makes it very expensive. Because when they are saying that people want what will melt and look seamless, and like it's very into your scalp, like it's your particular your hair itself, it will be expensive because that's what people want. That's why it's expensive. But if you are looking for something that will last, I advise you to use Swiss lace, and you want it to melt in, something that will last and to melt in, I advise you to use the Swiss lace, because HD lace is very good though, because it will look like your hair, but I don't really like it because of the part that it easily tears. easy tearing. You can't be spending so much amount of money buying HD lace, and you now hear it tears. You won't be happy with it. But it's only the beauty part, because it's beautiful. Like when you use HD lace, it's very beautiful. Like you love the outcome. But it's just the fact that it cuts easily that causes a problem. So that's basically the type of lace that we have. Lace closures and frontals that they use for installation. That's the type of ones we have. So if you have any question under this post, leave it under the comment section. And if you have any other thing you want to learn about wigs that you are very curious about, that you want to know, leave the question under the post, and I would love to always share with you and explain to you more on that topic you would like to know more about. So if you, like I said earlier, if you are a returning subscriber, we love you always. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and let your girl grow. When we grow together. So a win for one is a win for all. So see you in my next video. We love you, and stay tuned for Lolariela anytime you see her. Thank you.